In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Hostinger, a simple and straightforward process that will take just a few minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be all set to proceed with your purchases or renewals on this platform. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger website. You can do this simply by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL for Hostinger. Once you're on their homepage, you're going to look for a button or a link that says Domains. This is where we'll begin the process of associating your payment method with the domain services. After clicking on Domains, the next thing you'll see is an option to get a new domain. Go ahead and click on this. This section allows you to search for and select the domain you wish to purchase. If you've already had your eye on a particular domain name, or you have a new idea in mind, this is the perfect opportunity to check its availability. So at this point, you're going to enter the desired domain name into the search field. Usually there will be a prompt or a search bar for you to use, and it is crucial here to ensure you're spelling the domain accurately. Once you have typed in the domain name, go ahead and click on Search. This will show you whether the domain is available for purchase or not. If your domain is available, congratulations. The next step is to click on Buy Now. Clicking this will take you to the checkout process where you can finalize your purchase. Hostinger will show you some additional options and configurations for your domain, but our focus here is on adding the payment method. Following the checkout process, you will be prompted with an option that reads Choose Payment Method. This is where you'll decide how you want to pay for your domain purchase. Selecting this option will present you with a variety of payment methods that Hostinger supports, ranging from credit and debit cards to PayPal and other options depending on your location. At this screen, take a moment to select the payment method that is most convenient for you. Make sure you have your payment details handy, as you will need to enter them to finalize the transaction. Once you've input your information, double-check everything to ensure there are no errors before submitting. And just like that, you have successfully added a payment method to your Hostinger account. You're now ready to proceed with your domain purchase or any other transactions you need to complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out and enjoy using your newly purchased domain.